How to fix no sound in Fortnite. Press CSC, go to the settings, go to the audio, and click restore settings and accept it. If that doesn't work, you can press Alt and Tab at the same time, and then right click this speaker icon right here, go to the sound settings, and click around at these outputs at random until you find one that works. Usually if you're using headphones, it's gonna say headphones, or in my case I'm using a program that comes in between the computer and my microphone. I use the FX Sound Audio Enhancer, and then the sound goes from this program into my mic, where I can hear everything on my headphones. If none of these things work, go ahead and leave Fortnite. Now you're gonna go to the library, press these three dots right here on Fortnite, go to Manage, and click Verify Files. And that's how to fix the no sound problem in Fortnite. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.